leading brand in edible oils, Priya Gold has been satisfying households in southern India for the past 4 decades.
Is where the journey began. From a village with a single outlet in Telangana to a multi-state business brand. In the market front, we stand tall as a leading manufacturer of edible oils like refined sunflower oil, refined palm oil, and vegetable oil, all under the brand name Priya Gold. It is owned by Santoshi Mata Group of Oil Industries, Hyderabad. The founder and chairman of the group, Shri Bukka Lakshmaya, a veteran businessman who owned a groundnut mill, started his business in 1979 with an initial investment. Soon, he came up with his brand, Priya Gold, and supplied oil packs in the entire Andhra Pradesh state. With the successful experience and inspiration of their father, Bukka Chandrasekhar as a managing director and Shri Bukka Srinivasu as the executive director, entered the business and understood the marketing strategies. They started oil packing business in Kakinada in 2000. After witnessing the huge demand for edible oil and shortage of oil production in the country, they then decided to set up the Santoshi Mata edible oil refineries near Kakinada port in 2013. Priya Gold has become a synonym of trust and quality across South India and has gained popularity in many other parts of the country. Since the inception, Priya Gold has become the epitome of innovation in manufacturing and distribution in Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Tamil Nadu. Under the efficient leadership of his successor, Shri Bukka Srinivasu and Shri Bukka Chandrasekhar, they have fulfilled his vision of producing quality refined sunflower oil, refined palm oil, and vegetable oils at affordable prices to reach all classes of people in southern India. Santoshi Mata Group of Industries has set a benchmark in producing and supplying and reaching the expectations of its customers. Santoshi Mata Group of Industries has production capabilities of 2.4 lakh tons, making it a leader in the production and supply chains in South India. The story of Priya Gold starts here in this facility. The security guards make sure about the sanitation and health of the workers before they enter the factory. Regular temperature checks and hand sanitization are a must before getting into the Santoshi Mata plant. Not only for COVID-19, but also for keeping away any possible infection among workers and also in the packing areas. There is another worker in the yellow gown who is looking like a robot, who makes sure that every vehicle that comes in is sanitized to minimize the entry of microbes through transport into the premises. The vehicle is then weighed and the raw materials are shipped to the production site. The crude edible oil is sent to a sophisticated laboratory situated in the factory premises. There are a group of well-experienced and qualified professionals for testing the quality and assessing the end product before packing the oils. Meanwhile, the workers who entered the factory undergo different levels of safety and security. Each worker is instructed to wear hair caps, gloves, aprons, and herbal tea induced with freshly cut tulsi leaves is served to the workers to introduce an Ayurvedic healthy living into their daily routine. There are a group of employees working to manage the whole factory setup. These people keep an eye on every intricate details in the process of production, packing, and supply till the product reaches the household. Keeping in view of demand and supply, Santoshi Mata Group has equipped itself with leading industrial technologies, fully loaded automation process in refining and packing oil. Every pack of sunflower and palm oil goes through automated filling machines in filling the containers and capping to make sure that the product is in minimal contact with humans before it's delivered to the customers. Stringent rules are imposed in the packaging area during the pandemic to reduce and eliminate the risk of contamination. The oil is packed in different sizes in the Priya Gold factory: half a liter, 1 liter, 3 liters, 5 liters, and 15 liters. Packed containers are then loaded onto the vehicles through automatic forklifts and are sent to different parts of the country, mainly South India, for fulfilling your daily needs in your kitchen. This is not just the work of one man or a machine. It has been a process from the last 30 years, and this consistent passion in delivering the right product in the right price range makes Priya Gold and Santoshi Mata Group of Industries a leading example of dedication, determination, and devotion to our customers. The mission of the business is to set benchmark in purity and perfection, leadership position in the Indian market, and globally establishing a win-win relationship with clients, contractors, and employees. However, the most important attribute of Priya Gold's oils is the leadership, the infallible commitment towards quality, towards customers, towards community at large. At Priya Gold Oils, no compromise with quality is a guiding philosophy, and the management takes it as a responsibility to not just ensure higher standards of quality of products, but also insist quality attitude in every member of the Priya Gold organization.
The quality and perfection Santoshi Mata Group of Industries has won it numerous accolades, including the prestigious Times Business Awards 2020.
Success and growth do not mean much unless accompanied by trust and respect from the community. Sri Bukka Lakshmaya's vision became his successor's mission, and since then there has been no looking back. There has never been a single compromise in quality of the product, and that resulted in the success of the brand. Santoshi Mata Group of Industries. For us, customer is our God.